Mira Mirati, the CTO of OpenAI, spread her wings and flew away and created a new startup called Thinking Machines, released its first open source model called Inkling.
Command AI.
It challenges China's dominance in open weight AI and signals a major new player in the open source space. You might have remembered her from when she got asked about. Do you remember this? When she got asked like where did they get the training data from? She was like, she kind of pulled this face.
No, I didn't see it. I wish I would have. Yeah. We just stole it like everyone else, yeah.
Yeah. So I haven't had a look too much into this. I saw it. I mean, it literally got released yesterday. And, 975 billion parameters, just under a trillion. You're not going to be running this necessarily locally. And in fact, let's see. Maybe let's hop on Hugging Face. Files info. Here we go. I think it's going to break it down.
If you zoom in a little bit.
Total size. Oh, it gives us that in bytes. How much is that in bytes? So this is nearly 2 terabytes. This if my calculations were done correctly, it's nearly 2 terabytes. So I think it's possible to run locally, but a quantized version for sure. This is going to cost you a lot of money. What I tend to do, if I go to Hugging Face, I doubt anyone's done this. Oh, someone has quantized it. Amazing. So someone's quantized it for 4-bit here.
Okay.
And this comes out at 0.5 terabyte here. So this can run on two 512 Mac Studios, which is pretty cool. So you can run it.
Yeah, but you need something.
Oh yeah, this is
beefy.
Many thousands of pounds. That's the thing with local AI. Like it's not something you can do on a budget. Like people get excited about these small local models, and fair play. Like I get excited about them. I love local models that can run on my petty 128 gigabyte VRAM M5 Max Studio. I love models that can run on that, but it's just the smaller you go, the worse that model is, the less you can actually do with it. Encoding models roughly start at about 30 billion parameters. So yeah, I mean, pretty cool. I've not used it. Can we get it on OpenRouter? Well, it's not on OpenRouter, so I don't know whether we can actually use it yet. On one benchmarks, the company says Inkling uses 1/3 as many tokens as NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 Ultra. So it isn't like, it's not a massive model. It's not, as we'll get into, Kimi K3 level of compute needed for it. That raises the question of who within the enterprise market it's targeting. Thinking Machines is for now marketing Inkling less as a finished product than as a starting point, something for organizations to fine-tune themselves through Tinker. Interesting. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.